guys, last ride on Voltron here at Europa Park, 18th ride total. We're in the back row. I'm going to miss this thing so much, but this ride is absolutely unbelievable. We're gonna make it count. Last ride, let's do it. That's all she wrote. Wow. Solidified number 2 overall. This ride is truly something special. Mack Rides has made their presence known at this park. This ride is an absolute statement. Just wow. Absolutely phenomenal ride.